Hey there, it's time again for Jeff's Pick. Remember, each week I highlight a product that I think you need to know about. This week's pick is actually from a trade show that I'm at right now. One of the coolest things I saw was this lanyard. So you can go around your neck if you're at a trade show or at a booth, put it there, or you can use it as a keychain. Why is it special? I'm gonna try to show you here. There we go. It charges your phone. So you're walking around, you need a battery pack if you're walking around, or if you're sitting down at a computer, plug this in a USB. This other end fits Android and Apple phones. It fits both. It's a universal charger. How cool is that? One way is Apple, the other way is Android. So very unique product that I think is extremely useful for colleges, for trade shows, anything where you need a charging cord. That's it. Have a great week, guys.